Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Queen White from Alice in a Wonderland in Dress to Impress. First of all, for the hair, you can choose this hair and then you're going to color it with this color and combine it with this hair, make it the same color. And also this one, make it the same color, and then you're going to choose only bangs. And then put on this tiara. This is from the VIP room, but if you don't have VIP, you can replace it with another crown from the cards item. Okay, you can color it like this for the tiara. And then you're going to put on this necklace from the cards item, and you're going to color it like this. And then this heels, this is from the VIP room, and color it white. Again, if you don't have VIP, you can use another heels. Okay, and then you're going to put on this corset. You're going to choose to go to, and then you're going to color it like this. Okay, and then put on the sleeves. This is from, and then you're going to put on the sleeves. This is from the Madoka set, and then you're going to color it like this. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room, and then from this dressing room, I'm going to go to this menu and put on this top, and we're going to remove everything but the gem. Okay, and then for the color, I'm going to make it this color for the first selection, and for the second selection, I'm going to make it this color, and for the third selection, I'll make it this color, and fourth selection, make it this color. And then I'm going to make it glitter, especially for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, then we're going to put on this corset from the witch set, and I'm going to make it white for the first selection, second selection, and third selection. And for the lace, I'm going to apply this color. Sorry, this is for the color code. Okay, and then I'm going to make it glitter for the first selection until the third selection. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the world culture update and put on the skirt, make it glitter, and then you're going to make it this color. And then you're going to put on this dress and make it only skirt. And then for the first selection, just leave it like that. For the second selection, make it white and then make it glitter. And then you're going to go back to this menu and put on the skirt and remove the layer and then make it glitter. Okay, and the last one, I'm going to put on this item and I'm going to apply, for the first selection, I'm going to make it white. For the second selection as well. And then for the third selection, I'm going to make it this color. And for the fourth selection, make it this color. And also for the last selection. Okay, and finally, you will have this Queen White look from Alice in a Wonderland in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!